Hello everybody, hi. Every element of our professional lives and even our personal lives is being transformed by data. So we need to know how to work with data, and one of the best ways to do that is with R. R is a free and open source language. It's very easy to learn, open source, used by big companies, so it's lucrative career and one of the most high paying jobs in these years. In our course, you don't need to have experience with R or with computer programming. All you need is computer with internet connection to download and installing R and downloading packages. Dealing with R is very easy and coding with R is very easy. And now I will show you how to deal with R. My data, it's an example. Films and year, length minutes and box office million. I will show you now how it's very easy to code with R. Mean of length minutes, very easy to get mean or coding with R. Median length minutes, histogram length minutes. So I'll show you it's very easy to learn R and coding with R. I hope you learn with us and you will benefit from us. Goodbye.